Hello everyone, how are you today? As promised, I'm here today too. Today I decided to show you my heaven or my beauty room, or as I call it, Yasmina room, which it's my heaven, the place I love to stay in, relax. But usually I love all my house, but this room may be special to me more. Anyway, I'll flip the camera. I'm just saying hi to you. I'll flip the camera and then let's start. It's not that big, but it's cute. Okay, see you. I love it. It's a very awkward shape. That's why I decided to have it as my beauty room, because it's kind of the window in the middle, and then here it's, anyway, let's start. I will go from right, so I will turn, and here it's my shelves, and of course everybody has those shelves. This is from IKEA, which I love them, and it's very sturdy, because they have been with me around all those countries I told you about, except France, but the rest they were with me. So this is all my collection of bags. And actually I changed it. It was for summer stuff, and now I put the fall, but maybe I will make a little bit more changes. If you like me to show you what I'm going to do, I can show it to you. But this is all, and this is my hats. I have like 3, I think. I love this one, this Gucci. I wear it a lot. And okay, so this is first on the thing, and here my coiffeurs, and this is me. Hi, I'm wearing my Egyptian dress, love it. Anyway, this is my, and definitely saw it everywhere too. It's from IKEA, and actually now it's in my desk as well for my work, because I start officially my work, YouTube and everything, so trying to take it seriously. And then everything, and my makeup, the thing that I didn't do yet, I didn't change my lips varieties to the fall. My chair and the drawers too, maybe I will do for you as well. What do I have in my drawers? Then here the bathroom, and then here all my perfume, which if you can tell, I have lots of Chanel because I love it, and it doesn't make any, my husband is very allergic to any smell. Well, thank God that for him Chanel it's okay, and have others here. If you want me to go forward to go and have another video for that, I can do that. And here the view is beautiful. The weather today is great. And here my jewelries and my sunglasses, I can do for you as well another video in details. And here my cute chair. I tried hard to find a chair fit here because very hard. And this mirror, actually I bought it from Middle East, and I love it. I don't want to change it when we came here. It's way too big for the room, but I don't want to sell it, or I love it, and they don't have something here like it. So I tried to have the pink, the same shade part of it. I think it's working. And then here my huge TV, which it was in my Abu Dhabi too. It eats the room, but I don't want to get rid of it. And here part of my shoes, and here are my shoes too. Yep, I have lots of shoes. So, and that's it. It's not that big, but I love it. It's cute. And let me tell me in the comment if you want me to have too many videos about all my what's going on in my room, what I'm going to do. Just let me know, guys, and I hope that you like it. And please subscribe to my channel if you like my contents, and still lots of more coming, lots of videos coming, lots of things in my brain, in my mind. I want to share it with you guys. And that's it. See you later. Bye.